Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday. I wanted to thank everybody for coming to the Megatrends webinar today. I'll let you know that we will be sending out a link to the video recording of the webinar if you want to watch it again, and if you didn't get a chance to come, you can watch it for the first time. And so today was a good day for the stock market. The S&P 500 was up 0.4%, and it hit a high for our recovery. It got to 3306. So the all-time high set back February 19th was 3393. So we're not too far away, and we're working our way through the resistance that's above where we are pretty steadily. As a matter of fact, every time it falls, it comes back down to these support levels and then rallies back up. So the trend for the market is up, and there's no doubt about that, and that hasn't changed for quite a while, so that's great. Now, the pieces that we have, the advanced healthcare and technology, are really, really running. And so one of the things I thought I would address, I'm seeing an awful lot of articles trying to correlate what's happening here with this kind of tech run-up to what happened in '99 and eventually the tech bust in 2000. And I was very involved in the market, actively managing money for a living during that period, and I remember very specifically the very beginning of that, kind of 95, 96, even 97, was companies that had earnings, and they were, substantial companies. And eventually it turned into this really crazy thing where companies didn't have earnings. I had a client call me to ask me to buy bingo.com. And it had gone from $1 to $9 in about 9 months. And I looked into it, and the company didn't even have the authority to do bingo online, and they never got it, and it went out of business. So that's not happening here. Companies like Apple, very substantial earnings and huge cash flows. Maybe it'll turn into something crazier down the road, and we have to watch out for that. At this point in time, the companies that are doing well because they're making money, and they're in the right place at the right time. And so I think that's really important, and I think that sustains at least for a while here, and we'll be watching that. But so that's what's happening today. I'm very excited, and I hope to be able to talk to you about what's happening tomorrow. Thank you very much.